My name is Katie Bivens, and I am the proud principal here at Tecumseh North Elementary School. This bond would bring important updates to our building, creating better spaces for learning and activities. The basement will be renovated to support orchestra, band, additional classrooms, and support services. Original classrooms will see new flooring, while pre-K spaces will improve learning for our youngest learners. The main office will be expanded with added meeting spaces to better serve our families and our staff. The gym floor and bleachers will be replaced, giving students safe and updated areas for PE and other school activities. The Panther's den will be relocated and improved, creating a stronger space for students' supports. And like all elementary schools in the district, playgrounds will receive updated turf with shade as well as equipment that supports all students. The benefits from the bond will give our teachers and staff more space to meet our students' social, emotional, and instructional needs, while also modernizing shared areas such as our gym and our band and orchestra rooms. These changes will create safer, more modern, and more supportive spaces for every student at Tecumseh North Elementary. For more information about the 2025 bond proposal, visit our website at www.usd450.net. Thank you.